Ledford, AP Coordinator for El Toro High School. I'm here to talk about AP exam registration for the 2024 AP exams in May. To register for your AP exams, you have to do two things by November 9th, 2023. One, pay for your exams in total registration, and two, register for your exams in AP classrooms and opt in to take the test. Again, the deadline for both of these steps is Wednesday, November 9th, 2023. To pay for your exams, you'll need to go to the total registration website, enter your student information, and pay for each exam separately. You'll know you're in the right place if you see ETHS's AP exam registration letter pop up when you log on. You'll need to follow the instructions and make sure that you've paid for each exam you're taking by Wednesday, November 9th. Once you do that, you are now ready to register for your AP exams with the College Board. All students need to visit myap.collegeboard.org and use the join codes to join each AP classroom for each AP class you are taking. Be sure to join both AP classrooms for classes that involve two tests, like AP Lang and AP Seminar. When you've successfully joined the AP classrooms, be sure to opt in to take the AP test. You may have done this in your classrooms at school already, but you should go to myap.collegeboard.org just to be sure. To access the College Board website, you'll need to log on with your own account. If you have previously taken the PSAT, the SAT, etc., then you can log on with that same account, or you can create an account. We suggest using an email account like Gmail that is not associated with your school email account so that you can access it in the future. If you've already joined the appropriate AP classrooms, then you can click Register for Exam. But if you need to join any classrooms, please use the join code provided by your instructor and total registration. Then go back and select Register for Exam so that you complete the registration process for each AP class you are taking. Again, register for each AP test you plan to take. All students need to join the AP classroom for each AP class they're taking, regardless of whether or not they are taking the AP tests. AP teachers may use College Board resources off and on throughout the year, so it's best to be enrolled in the AP classroom. If you would like to take an AP test without being enrolled in the class, please contact me as soon as possible at ledfordc@svusd.org. Students who are taking an online AP course at SVA can take the AP test at El Toro by selecting the exam-only section on the total registration and College Board sites. Now that you're aware of both steps of the process, let's talk about the cost of the AP exams. This year, each AP exam costs $106 plus a $4 processing fee collected by total registration. This equals $110 for each AP test. For AP Seminar and AP Research, the test costs $154 plus a $4 registration fee for a total of $158. For students with a free and reduced lunch letter, you may be eligible for a fee reduction exam. If you have your letter, you may email it to Mrs. Teddimer at brenda.teddimer@svusd.org or stop by the front office to deliver a copy of the letter to her. If you do not have a copy of your letter, email Brandon Jones at foodservices@svusd.org. Please do this as soon as possible to avoid any delays, and know that this is a process that you must complete each year to receive your free and reduced lunch letter. Remember, all students must complete both steps by Wednesday, November 9th, 2023. Step 1, pay for each exam on the total registration website. And step 2, register for each AP classroom and opt in to take the exam on the College Board website. Your registration is not complete until you have completed both of these steps. If you have any questions or need any assistance at all, please contact me at ledfordc@svusd.org or stop by room 203.